In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 375 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 37. We know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 375 divided by 5 is equal to 75. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.